Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with this holiday makeup look. This is for like Christmas holiday, work party, wherever you're going. This look is going to be a stunner. It's really simple to achieve, even though it looks really extravagant and glam. I promise you, super easy to achieve. I didn't use a lot of products in terms of my eye makeup. It's literally like maybe 3 eyeshadows, and then this bold lip is the star of the show, but you can always switch it up to a nude if you're not comfortable with the red. But for the holidays, I always go with a red lipstick. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love the way everything turned out. I haven't done a glam look like this in such a long time. Lashes are amazing. So all the products that I use today, I will be linking it down below, so you guys can definitely go and check it out. If you guys want an all drugstore glam look, definitely let me know in the comment section. I also am doing a giveaway with this video, so definitely read the description box for how to enter this giveaway. I'm just doing a quick little basket with some amazing products for you guys, and in the month of December we're going to be doing a lot of giveaways, so turn on your post notifications so you don't miss a video. And yeah, to enter you just have to be subscribed to the channel, like this video, leave a comment down below, and that's pretty much it. But check the description box, and yeah, good luck to everyone, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So let's go ahead and get into it.